Apecoin cost shut the earlier day's exchange at $5.59 with a market capitalization of $1.71 billion and a flowing stock of 306,875,000. Gorilla, the chimp cost is making a respectable attempt to complete an illustrative recuperation that might elevate the cost by over 33% before long. Apecoin specialized examination for the month. The Apecoin value that dropped vigorously in May keeps on floating inside the lower support zone that it entered in June. The chimp token endeavored to break out from the upper opposition at $7.59, however brought about an immense value channel of over 40%. As of now, the gorilla cost has recuperated by almost 25% from the September lows and is supposed to keep a firm upturn until it arrives at the nearby obstruction above $7. The Apecoin cost is exchanging underneath $5.50 as of now, however the exchange setup is to a great extent bullish. The cost in the present moment is ascending high, breaking out from the bullish banners. With the most recent breakout, the primate cost may positively rise near $6 and face a slight pullback here. In this manner, keeping a comparative cost activity, the chimp coin might arrive at the essential obstruction before the month's over. Apecoin specialized investigation initially. Apecoin cost has dropped vigorously since the cost arrived at highs near $28. In the wake of slicing by almost 90%, the primate cost stopped the negative pattern and arrived at prompt obstruction yet neglected to arrive at near a twofold digit level. As of now, the cost bounced back prior to testing the last place of safeguard and shows up beautiful bullish before long. Will gorilla value reach $6.50 today? The Apecoin cost during the previous end of the week has showed a huge rise which was trailed by a somewhat expanded combination. Presently, the token is uniting eminently after a spike of over 13%. With the following advantage: the gorilla cost is supposed to cut through the prompt obstruction at $6. The cost in the beyond couple of hours is encountering equivalent strain from the bulls and bears, while the volume remains vigorously depleted. Hence, the cost for the rest of the day's exchange is supposed to exchange at around $5.50. Notwithstanding, the instability is supposed to increment as the day's nearby methodologies which might inspire the cost past $5.80 as the bears might confine the gorilla cost beneath $6. Will primate value reach $10 before the month's over? The primate token cost might stay combined for 2 or 3 days and show a colossal cost development towards the north. The cost in the recent days has raised high as a result of a bullish banner. By and by, the cost is attempting to break out from the ongoing bullish banner by bouncing back from the lows. In the forthcoming days, the cost might break out from the example and arrive at prompt highs at around $6.30. Before the week's over, the cost might try and transcend $7 on the off chance that the bulls gain gigantic strength. Going on with the bullish pattern, the Apecoin cost expectation for September is between $8.20 to $8.90. Flow and Apecoin are the main two tokens inside the NFT space with a market capitalization of $2.2 billion and $1.70 billion separately. Flow cost got as unexpected and tremendous flood of liquidity in August that prompted enormous strength inside the resource while primate cost kept a plummeting pattern. The stream USDT cost raised from the typical levels to arrive at the highs at around plus 66.05%, however recently dropped and exchanging at plus 15.67%. On the other hand, Gorilla USDT cost kept an exhausted pattern all through August to arrive at the bottoms at minus 37.11% and bounced back in the beyond couple of days to arrive at the ongoing levels at minus 18.65%. Apecoin value forecast, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Apecoin value since its commencement has neglected to hold its solidarity and has shed immense additions of LET. Nonetheless, the resource appears to have landed a firm bounce back that might raise the cost from the negative bondage. Pushing forward, the market feelings could change altogether which might keep up with the bullish pattern of the token in the more drawn-out time span. Hence, before very long, Primate cost is supposed to balance out and keep a supported pattern towards the north. The Apecoin environment as of late suggested another political decision process for the DAO individuals, as per which the political race interaction will turn into a moving political race where the political decision for committee part seat is directed each quarter. In any case, the proposition is expected for casting a ballot. What is Apecoin? Apecoin is an ERC20 administration and utility token utilized inside the guerrilla environment to engage in boosted decentralized local area working at the very front of Web3. Apecoin holders oversee themselves by means of the decentralized administration structure controlling the Apecoin DAO, and vote on how the Apecoin DAO biological system asset ought to be utilized. The guerrilla establishment directs propositions settled upon by Apecoin holders. 2. Who are the pioneers behind Apecoin? Apecoin is a decentralized venture motivated by Yuga Labs' exhausted Primate Yacht Club project. Apecoin was established to be utilized inside the prospering Primate biological system, which is upheld by the guerrilla establishment. The Apecoin DAO plans to construct and keep up with the guerrilla biological system in a fair and comprehensive manner, giving a foundation to Apecoin holders to team up through open and permissionless administration processes. A regulatory gathering inside the guerrilla establishment, the board, will do the choices of Apecoin DAO individuals. The board is liable for the everyday organization, accounting, project the executives, and different errands that guarantee the local area's thoughts have the help they need to turn into a reality. Apecoin DAO individuals vote on board individuals. 3. What makes Apecoin novel? Apecoin is the guerrilla biological systems administration token, permitting token holders to partake in Apecoin DAO and giving members a common and open cash can be utilized without unified mediators. 62% of all Apecoin was apportioned to the environment asset, which will uphold local area-driven drives as decided on by Apecoin DAO individuals. Apecoin additionally gives admittance to specific pieces of the biological system that are generally inaccessible, similar to selective games and administrations. For outsider engineers, Apecoin is a device to partake in the biological system by integrating Apecoin into administrations, games, and different tasks. The guerrilla establishment was gifted a 1-of-1 NFT by Yuga Labs, the makers of exhausted Primate Yacht Club. Yuga Labs has passed all freedoms and honors onto this NFT and its fundamental fine art to the Primate establishment. The Apecoin DAO individuals can conclude how this licensed innovation is utilized. 4. What number of Apecoin are there available for use? The all-out supply of Apecoin is forever fixed at 1 billion tokens, all stamped without a moment's delay. On send-off day, Walk 7